Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G42, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. First, let's launch Gmail application, and after that tap on the right upper corner. Now we can see that we are logged in here in the Gmail account in Gmail app. If you want to log out from this account in Gmail app, you should log on for a Google account on your device, and to do that you should click to manage accounts on this device and then tap here to this logged in a Gmail account. After that tap here remove account and confirm your action by click to remove account and OK. If you have if you use the fingerprint or face unlock, you can use them. If you also use the pattern or pin code, you can use it. Now we just can see that we are logged in from our Google account. And now let's go back to the application, refresh it, and we can see that we just successfully logged out from Gmail account in our Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.